This is the most dangerous road in Cyprus, and we crossed it with these two cars. We scratched our cars, we drove over huge rocks, we slid down the cliff, and we almost exploded. Yep, this was definitely one of the craziest things I've done in Cyprus, so sit back, relax, and don't do this at home. Hey, you stay at home. A lovely morning. Spring is here in Cyprus and it's so green. I love it. I moved to a new house. Hey everybody, it's Rico and today we are going to cross the most dangerous off-road here in Cyprus and one of the most dangerous off-roads in whole Europe. My friend is a professional rally driver and we had the crazy idea of crossing Akamas here in Cyprus, and today is the day. He's going to pick me up now and then we are going to have an amazing adventurous day. Here they are. They arrived. Good morning.
Good morning.
Looking good and fresh. Hello.
My name is Mr. Alex.
Okay, Mr.
Hello,
Alex.
audience.
We have big plans today.
We have very big plans and you will see what will happen very soon.
Oh, yeah.
Morning.
Hey, bro, good morning.
Hello, how are you?
Good. And you?
Yes, I'm excellent.
Ah, you bring your wife as well. Hey there, are you ready for today?
Yes, of course.
Nice. Then we are ready. But there is one problem.
What is this?
I closed the door and the keys are inside my house. So I have
It's
to
okay,
break
we can,
in my
We
house.
can climb the window.
That's what I like. Alright, now we have to find the back door to get back into the house. So I know for sure that this window is open. But that's the harder option. This one is the easier option.
Rico is going over.
Okay, let's pray it's open.
Unfortunately, it's closed, guys.
It's closed. No, I go this way.
Do you think you will go
Of course. My cat does it all the time, so I can do it too.
But try.
We hope. I will come. No!
Oh.
It's closed. We actually found one more window and I remembered that this one was actually open because it's my bathroom and I just showered. So yeah, I was climbing up, but well, the window was smaller than expected, or I was just too big. Ta-da! I'm so happy that I left the window open.
Your experience, please tell us your comments.
Oh man, I'm very lucky, but now we are ready for the day.
Perfect, let's go.
All right, time to eat something. All right, seat belt is on, but we are not on the most dangerous road yet. We arrived in the mall. I think it's time to eat.
Yes.
Tavernaki.
Yes, exactly.
Greek food. Tavernarki.
Because Greek, we're Cyprus,
Because-
so we have to eat Greek food. It's very tasty.
It's traditional.
Tradition only.
Souvlaki, sheftalia, halloumi, all of it.
Sheftalia is a classic.
Hey there, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Can we please have a mixed grill for two? A club sandwich chicken
Yeah.
and 4 Coke Zero.
Anything else?
That's it. Thank you. Enjoy.
In Russian we say
More healthy.
приятного аппетита.
Ah, really?
Means like have a good...
And for drinks na zdrowie.
if you drink smacznowo.
Smacznego.
Yes,
I know
smacznego.
smacznego.
It's for Ukrainian.
Yeah.
Szmacz. Schmatznegro.
Smacznego.
Schmatznegro.
Schwarzenegger.
What about your car? It's good? It's okay. My friend, it's taxi.
We'll get to that.
So what is the deal? Your car is maybe not made for the road,
Made it only for Akamas.
but yours is...
Not so much.
But we don't care. We do it anyway.
How is Ruby?
She's good. What's your name?
Gabby.
Nice to meet you. Bye-bye. Hi.
Are you Rico?
Yes.
Do you mind if I take a picture? My son is a huge fan. He keeps making me drive all over the country to try and find you.
Really?
And he never comes to the mall when I come to the mall.
Oh.
And if I take him, he's going to be gutted.
Yeah, let's do it.
Do you mind?
Of course.
Thank you.
I'm actually doing a video today.
Thank you.
Say hello to him.
I will.
Nice to meet you. Hey man, how are you?
I'm your big fan.
Thank you, bro. I appreciate it. What's up? It's crazy. Yeah, what about you?
Yeah, I'm good.
Can I get a photo?
Oh, yes, of course. Of course. What's your name?
Mike.
Mike. Nice to meet you. Wait. I have to turn it. I can also take a picture. I'm bigger than you. Wait. It's loading. Hey. Hi, how are you?
This is my daughter.
Yes. Oh, really? Hi. Nice. Say hello
Thank
to
you so
your
much.
twin sisters.
Brother.
Twin brother. That's cool.
Oh, can I take picture with you?
Not with this outfit. Hey.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine. Can we have also photo?
Of course, yes, for sure.
You're not going to get any.
I'm from Philippines.
Now we are leaving now.
Halika dito. Ah,
Where are you from?
From Philippines.
Philippines.
I love Philippines. I want to go to Sarjo Islands.
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
Yes, it's very nice.
I know, I know. See you.
Thank you so much.
Let's run, let's go. Whew. All right, now it's time to go to off-road Akamas. So that was the mall, and now we are getting a coffee. Hello. We are getting a coffee now here at the drive-through, and we will order something right here. Wait, who are you?
Hello. Hello, my friend. How are you? Man, look at this.
I saw.
So we can go faster if we push.
This is the turbo. All right, I really want a coffee.
Mr. Nambu.
That's true. Enrico, go.
Hello, my friend. Telena Freddo Espresso, yes?
Yes.
Freddo Espresso, sketchy and Americano, please. But
I'm
not
showing
on
my
camera.
face. Alright, so while we are fueling up the cars, I want to give you one interesting fact about the Akamas off-road that we are driving today, and that is, it's not illegal to drive it, but it's highly dangerous and not recommended, so that even the insurances, they put a specific sentence in the insurance contract that states you're not allowed to drive the Akamas road, which is the road that we are driving today. So I hope you guys understand what we mean by the most dangerous off-road in Cyprus. Can you give us some more facts about the Akamas road?
Actually, we'll get to that soon, but I will tell you this. A lot of people died trying to cross this road.
Every year, right?
Very dangerous road. It has such uneven surfaces that even jeeps cannot pass this. Even, speaking of these cars, well, yes, you have helicopter number for rescue.
We don't even have internet connection or phone connection.
Very good, very good.
We don't have signal. I remember I was running a marathon here exactly on this street. This is exactly the location where I finished my full marathon on January 1st a few years ago. I ran all the way from the city to here, so it's basically blocked now. Alright, so plan B is activated. You are literally kissing his bottom. Oi, oi! Damn, it's so close. You have some special rally tires today?
No, it's the most cheaper I put.
Oh, okay.
I put the cheap one because we're gonna destroy the tires today.
Ah, yeah, of course.
He has nice spoiler.
He has a little scratch on his car. Okay, so we actually found another spot.
Welcome, my friend.
To Akamas. Now
We start.
the fun begins. That was a good start. Yeah, I think we closed the windows.
Because it's a lot.
That's beautiful. I visited this island over there. All right, guys, we are starting. We are starting. Whoa! That was a good drift. I couldn't imagine myself here with my car. But I think with a motorbike it's cool. Until here. Now we are concentrated. It's starting to get very complicated and dangerous. It's the second time you're driving this road?
Yes.
Okay. How many people do you think do this?
With my car.
Right, that's a crazy thing. With a buggy maybe, some people. I already lost the signal on my phone, so now we are in the wild.
No food, no water.
We can hunt food. That's actually the interesting thing here about Akamas. It's everything environment protected. So there are special animal species here, special plants, special flora and fauna. It's interesting here. I like it. I feel very in peace here.
1,000 horsepower.
Of
in a
course.
car.
And more with the
Yes.
nitro.
Plus 20 kilometers.
Turbo. We are trying to figure out the road.
We go Lara or no?
Akamas, yes.
Front.
You know better, huh?
You know better.
We know better.
We are now in Cyprus highway. We go in Limassol.
off-road highway to nowhere, literally into the mountains. Guys, it looks speed up, but it's not. It's all real. We are speeding through the Akamas road. Will the tires survive this?
I need to check. Ah, it's okay. Hola in taxi.
So every 20 minutes we do a check, yes?
I think yes. If we go like this, we need to check yes every 20 minutes.
So we lost our friend after just 20 minutes and we said like, let's call him. But we can't.
Nice joke.
There he is! It's super dusty.
So, Mr. Nambo, you're so fast. You need to go to rally.
We are very fast.
Yes, Nico Rosberg and of course.
Nico Rosberg?
Ah, yes, Nico. It's Rico, sorry.
Yes. Mr. Alex.
Mr. Alex.
Nice to meet you. Can you show me your passport and your driver's license, please, sir?
Yes, of course. I'll just
Excuse me! Hey! We have to catch him.
Let's go.
We are the Akamas police now.
He's running away.
He has 5 stars now.
Stop the car!
That's a proper car.
Look, look. Ah, no.
No, close it. Okay, we have so much dust in here now.
Can we kiss him?
Yeah.
I think I kiss him. A little bit. Yeah, is it
Danielis, driver.
Yes, it's my name.
Do you have a spare wheel with you?
Spare wheel?
Yes.
I don't know what this is.
Like a replace tire.
I have 4 tires, so if we lose one, we have 3 tires. It's okay.
Okay, so no spare tire.
No.
That makes the whole adventure even more fun.
We don't need spare tire.
Maybe we find a shop somewhere here, a tire shop.
Oh, it's a lot here, tire. Alex, try to speak with us.
So basically, this scratch over there is from this man, and he will see it in the video. We are sorry, Alex, but I think you will not even notice.
How do you think? How much is it? 1 millimeter? Or 2?
I think you're kissing him. It's 0. How strong is this car, Danielis?
It's very strong. I don't know how to explain how strong this is.
It's Japanese. It must be Japanese. Oi. Suspension. So this is basically summer in Cyprus. You just drive into the mountains randomly. You can drive and stop by the sea. Wow, that's dangerous, right?
Can we cross this? How do you think?
Of course.
For Alex, it's very difficult.
He's driving already.
Maybe we go home.
Yeah. I think
Let's
it's...
go. It's no.
all in. No, no, no.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa. Oh.
whoa. Up, 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 up. How much is the taxis here in Akamas?
There is no taxi service here.
You can open your first key.
I don't think we will have clients if we open a taxi here. Just some crazy maniacs. So what are we doing now? We are hiding next to the road to see if our friends will pass us. But we are stuck with a nice view. Oh yes. Now we are talking.
Where he's coming?
Okay, surprise unsuccessful. They found us.
Oh, big problems.
Something happened?
Over wide.
Akamas police.
How was the road?
Very nice.
I almost got stuck. Very close, but not enough.
So you can continue, yes?
I can do stuff, yes.
Okay, let's play this game.
Yes. We wanted to overtake you.
Yes! You made it.
I think I know you from TikTok.
Yes.
I know.
Yes, yes.
I follow you.
Nice.
I cross with this car from Polis. I go Polis and come back Paphos.
Why?
Just for fun.
Just for fun.
You want to destroy the car?
Huh?
You want
No,
to
it's
destroy the car?
undestroyable.
Yes, I try.
Undestroyable.
Nothing happens with
Okay,
this
it's
car.
not for rent, yeah? You know, you want to drive it on this street?
Yes, I passed all this road.
And with this great stones?
Yes, yes. And I go Polis and come back Paphos.
Very nice.
Like 2 years before. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, it's our friends.
Yeah, he's driving with them.
He's more careful.
You drive to
Alex, why you drive boring?
because you have a woman in the car, that's why.
Right.
You have a woman in the car, that's why. Hi.
It's so much more energy draining than it looks. I mean, we are just sitting in the car, but it's super hot. It's mentally very, very exhausting, and physically as well, jumping in the car around. And the craziest thing are actually the roads and the holes and the craters in the roads. And now we are entering the last 30%, and we will have cliffs in the last 30%. And this is the part where every year people are dying with the buggies. So we really have to be more relaxed now and more careful. But first of all, I need a break. And we are actually near a military base now. And there is a warning sign right here. Look at this. Danger. Do not touch any military debris. It may explode and kill you. All right. I'll not touch anything here then, I guess. And here's the sea as well. That's what I love. It's a very, very beautiful nature trail as well. And as soon as we arrive, we will jump into the sea in the Polis beach. This is unbelievable. Okay, so we reached one of the hardest points of the road. It smells like burned rubber. I don't know why we are doing this to the cars. This is why we brought these cars. Ah! Little scratch.
Повернуть повністю наліво. Поворачуй.
My friend, everything is okay. Almost no scratches.
The rock passed off front of my face when he is making.
I didn't see it. It's fine.
That was horrible.
That was beautiful. I must say, I really love the view. Wow, it's so green. We reached the hardest part. Wow, look at this. There are huge rocks below us. There is the cliff next to us, the sea right in front of us. It's very, very sketchy right now. That's what I mean. Such adventures makes you feel alive and excited to wake up in the morning. Oh wow. Damn. No, нет.
No?
Нет.
It's nice, no? We can try it.
Oi.
Let's go. Like, who is gonna be first?
This is unbelievable.
Whoa. Yes, it starts sand. Because my cart slides. You see?
Yes, I feel it. Oof.
45 degrees, easy.
It's 45 degrees right now, the angle. We are literally just sliding down.
Yeah, if I put handbrake.
We are literally...
Look, with the handbrake.
Oh no. So at this point we are literally just sliding with the handbrake.
Okay, something straight,
Yes.
but I don't care.
That was the craziest stuff ever.
Bro, this is absolutely unbelievable. I never thought that this... Oh, my bumper.
Oh,
We did it.
yes, that was insane.
I never thought that this car would be possibly able to do this.
I think we
But
are...
Because of Mr. Nambo, he was pushing me and I was seeing that it was possible. Only because of him I was able to do this.
We almost reached the sea. And now we are doing a street race. Boy! We are literally speeding through the most dangerous road in Cyprus. The last few meters. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a magnificent place. The last meters. Respect. Guys, we arrived at the Blue Lagoon in Cyprus, Polis. Opa! Ah, it's okay. Woo! Woohoo!
We did it!
We did it. Okay, I really enjoy walking a bit now after all of this driving. And I will obviously go into the sea now here, into the Blue Lagoon, and I will sleep like a baby tonight. The whole ride took us over 3 hours, but I enjoyed every second. Going into the sea during sunset was an amazing feeling, and it already made me excited for the next adventure. This day was absolutely worth it, and if you subscribe to the channel, I will see you in the next video.